Hey, precious family. Welcome back to Glorious and Brazil Kitchen. We thank God for another day. Today's one is very, very simple. We're making balsamic vinegar glaze that you can use on your chicken, fish, appetizers, salads, and etc. Okay? Today, our ingredients is simple. Only one ingredient for today. Yeah, we're going to make balsamic vinegar glaze. So I'm using this one. This is the white. So I took that one out. We are using this. I'm going to measure 2 cups and put it on the stove. Bring it to a boil for it to thicken up. Now you can see the color on this one better. I turn the stove off now. I'm going to leave it out to cool. So maybe in like 30 minutes, just let it cool so it becomes thicker. Okay, now it cooled down. So now you see we have about 1 cup. Yes, so I'm going to pour it in here. So any bottle that you want, you just pour it